The next one is Bernoulli distribution. So this is invented by Bernoulli. So it's a very basic thing. So we just have a random experiment, and the experiment only have two outcomes. Either it fails or it succeeds. Okay, success have probably P and fail have probably 1 minus P. So we would map success is 1, fail is 0. So it's either 0 or 1. Okay, 1 means success, 0 means failure. So therefore, probability x equal to 1, okay, which is a success, right, is P, is equal to failure. 0 means it fails, is 1 minus P. So the probability x of x given P will be P raised to the power x and times 1 minus P raised to 1 minus x. What does that mean? If x is 0, right? So this is 1, right? And this is 1, is 1 minus P. So exactly fit. If x is 1, okay? So this is 1, is P, this is 0, right? 1 minus P to the power 0 is 1. So that's exactly what means here. So this is a short form of writing in this way. So why, if you ask why we want to do this, it will be evident from the next distribution of binomial, then you will see why that's the case. So what is example? Tossing a coin is fair, but it may not be fair. Unfair coin P will not be 1/2. Tossing a coin, okay. And one experiment binary outcome, okay, you can see whether someone have a disease or not, right, or test or not. So that is a binary outcome. The mean of this random variable is P, and the variance is P times 1 minus P. So we will show it in the next slide. So here we have shown the diagram, right? Suppose we have P equal to 0.5, then the probability distribution function is 0.5, 0.5. Is P is 0.3, so 0.3 is 1, 0.7 will be 0, okay? So let's prove this, okay? So expectation is x times px, okay? X can be value 0 or value 1, and with 0 probably 1 minus p, with 1 value p, so it's 0 times 1 minus p plus 1 times p, so that's p. So that's how we prove the expectation is p. Now the variance. Variance is its value minus expectation weighted by its probability, right? So the first time one of them is 0, right? 0 minus the mean is p, and take square, okay? What's probability to get 0 is 1 minus p, so 1 minus p times p squared. The other one will be the value is x equal to 1, okay, with probability p, the mean is p, so 1 minus p squared times p, okay? So then now what we can do is to collect terms 1 minus p and p, okay, and then there will be 1 minus p plus p, so that's why it's gone. So that's why we have p times 1 minus p.